Please, oh please, don't make me go to school. I never thought of you as cruel. But Mom, if you force me to go, then surely I will know that you don't love me anymore. Oh, I feel a fever coming, throat is sore, my nose is running. I have symptoms of the flu, possibly because of my book report that's due. They'll just send me to the nurse, 'cause PE will make it worse. I need tender, loving care, anything but face another day of eating lunch there. Please, oh please, don't make me go to school. I never thought of you as cruel. It's just downright unfair for you and Dad to send your sick kid there. Is there nothing I can say that will keep me home today? Please don't let my looks deceive you. If I go, I'll surely die before I see you once again. Just a second, can it be? I hear cartoons on TV. I'll just give them